I'm going to quickly show you how you can set up a workshop that runs over multiple days where the attendees are expected to attend every day. So if we go to events or classes, we go to create new event or class, whatever it is that your menu says. So we'll give it a title. So I'll just call it workshop 2, and then location, a description you can fill in. The important part is here, so frequency and dates. So we say this event happens on multiple times or different dates. And within here, we know it's going to run from the 20th to the 22nd of July. So we'll just set that as a start and end date. So that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Each day it runs from 9 to 5. And then the last important part is obviously you can set capacity, etc. I'm just going to fill in these prices so it doesn't ask me so the enrollment option is the important part. So instead of a drop-in where the client would be able to choose which of these sessions they wanted to attend, we're setting it up as a course. So if I save that now, just make sure I have all these fields filled in, clicking save, that workshop is now live. So if we go out to the public facing page and look for workshop 2, which is the one I just set up, we can see that it runs um, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from 9 to 5 between these dates. So in other words, I'm signing up for all 3 sessions and this is my cost. And that's how you set up a workshop that runs for 3 days. Thanks a lot.